And this is a Pacific Surfliner car. This is Amtrak train 1761 in San Luis Obispo. It's a weekend schedule, so it has the 4-digit number. If you were to travel on this train during the week, it would be 761. And this is a typical coach car on the double-decker Pacific Surfliner car. And this train today has a Superliner car on with it, which they almost do every day now because they run with a 6-car set. Superliners are a little more comfortable than the Surfliner car, so if you're riding on one, if you see a Superliner, it's a good car to ride on. And if you are going from car to car, just push it. And now we're on a Pacific Surfliner car. And on this car, downstairs is the cafe car. It's the second car from the head end. The next car is the business class car that we're going to walk through. There are a few that have seats facing together for families. And we'll head into the business class car. Seats are a little wider and there's a little more leg room in here. This is the business class car on a Pacific Surfliner train. And they always have a little snack set up here. Some little goodies for you. Coffee is available. And this is the business class car on the Pacific Surfliner.